Here on the Transparent FX Academy, every day I share my best market breakdowns, showing you guys how you have to analyze the market both from a technical and in order flow perspective to see where you can be looking for the next potential opportunities in the Forex market. So without further ado, let's go straight to the charts and see which is today's pair. In today's video, I want to speak about Bitcoin. Now, why do I want to speak about BTC? Because at the moment, we do have very interesting price action on it. The market just completed the move that we wanted to see, so it's definitely time for a complete update. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, we can see how the market has just created a strong impulse to the upside, followed by this correction. Now, generally speaking, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how the market has just retraced exactly to the 0.618. So basically the golden ratio of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse, which is a quite strong support zone that, if you remember, when the market was around this area, we wanted to see the market reject to the upside. In fact, that is exactly what the market did, providing to us a quite nice 50% increase to the upside so far. Now, generally speaking, after an impulse and correction, you want to see the creation of a higher high for the completion of the pattern itself. So I definitely still expect the creation of a new all-time highs before the end of the year. Going down on the weekly time frame, what we can see is that the market here has just created this weekly W formation. The 30K support held very strong. We can see multiple tests of it and now the strong rejection to the upside. This has been a great horizontal accumulation phase. We spoke about this horizontal accumulations a few times while the market was inside of it, projecting a breakout to the upside. And in fact, that is what the market is currently printing. Now here on the weekly, since all this area is resistance, we could see a short-term rejection before the continuation to the upside. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments the topic that you will like in the next video. Now, if we go down on the daily time frame, what we can see here is that in our last video, we spoke about the fact that after this impulse to the upside, when the market was here, I explained all the reasons for which we could easily expect the market to provide a correction to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this impulse to the upside, which is exactly what the market tested before then starting the continuation to the upside. And in fact, that is the move that the market here just created. And by the way, I will link in the description this previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. Now, at the moment, we can see how we are testing strong daily support. In fact, in all this impulse to the upside, there is one candle which is not related to the move, which is exactly this red candle here, meaning that this red candle at the moment is actually acting as a quite strong area of previous daily resistance, now turned support here that we do expect as market to reject to the upside, possibly even for the creation of a higher high. So how we will be approaching a potential opportunity with students here on BTC USD. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective and lower waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, only at that point we will be adding BTC USD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside and for the market to provide and create a higher high. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also click the link in the description that brings you to the mentorship program. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies, and then you trade the strategies with me. Every day, I give you a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies with the entry, stops, and take profits. And you can also ask questions and get the answers the same day with the Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in my next video.